and I'm fixing the Neato.
All right, so this is a Neato Botvac D series that was donated to Wyatt. The guy said it hasn't been turned on in about 5 years.
Yeah.
So Wyatt was able to get it turned on, but it won't charge, and it's making a lot of noise, isn't it? All right, so it's not holding a charge. It says it's dead.
Yeah.
It's been on the charger all night, and it still won't charge.
Yeah.
So we are gonna try to replace the battery. Yep. It's been making noise all night. So we're gonna try to replace the battery and see if we can get it working.
Yeah.
Right? So we can't we haven't been able to get it cleaning yet. Right, Wyatt?
Mm-hmm.
So hopefully this is gonna work.
Yeah.
Brand new battery.
I think the guy never replaced the battery.
I think this one's pretty old.
I bet the battery's like 99.
1999?
99.
1999?
99.
Okay. Right, so Wyatt has never worked on a Neato before. It's the first time.
Yeah.
There you go. There's the battery. And our new one looks just like that.
Yeah. Well, this one is darker.
Yeah. You know how to get it plugged in?
It's a little bit hard, but I can do it. There we go. Plugged it.
Perfect.
I hope this works.
Me too. We don't really know anything about the Neato brand.
Yeah. It has rubber so it doesn't scratch the floor when it's going. It makes a lot of noise. Hopefully this works.
Hopefully, fingers crossed.
Let's wait until it turns on. I don't know if this is gonna work. It's dead.
Let's see what it says. What does it say? My battery is low. I need to charge.
Okay, let's let it charge.
Okay. All right, let's give it some time, okay?
Okay.
All right, you ready? It says it's fully charged.
Yep.
Let's see if it works.
No way.
There it goes.
Are you serious?
Wyatt, you fixed it.
No way. Stop trying to get it. That's insane.
That's pretty cool. All right, after 5 years of not turning on, Wyatt got it working again.
I want to see it open the door.
You're gonna send it home?
accidentally pushed cleaning.
Oh, you didn't send it home?
Yeah. What does it say?
Let's see, it says pause. All right, so just hit the house button.
It made that noise. But how did it?
It says, please wait while I check my surroundings.
There we go.
Look at that, he found that, no problem. It's finished. I'm returning to my base station. There you go.
There we go.
Found his way home. Wyatt, that one is so cool.
Yeah.
You like it?
I love it.
Very cool. All right, so Wyatt wanted to try it out on the tile, and it has this cool little screen here where you can resume it, push the buttons, go through, resume clean, pause, stop cleaning. So that's pretty cool. So let's resume clean, right?
Yeah.
There we go. We also gave it some confetti, so let's see how it does with a little bit of a mess.
Look at your daughter's mess. Guys, come out of here.
That is a little bit louder than some of the other robot vacuums. There it goes, Wyatt.
There we go. Whoa, that was so cool.
Yeah, that did pretty well.
Stop it.
Wow, Wyatt, it cleans really well.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I can't believe they gave it to us. All done.
Cleaned up the whole mess. There you go. That's the Neato D series.
Neato this series.
Yep, very cool. Yeah, the filter does keep falling out. There you go. There's all the confetti it picked up.
Some right there.
Yep. Good job, Wyatt.
Yay.